back, have you? Oh yeah? Yeah? Where are you going? So you're going to the end, or? Yeah, okay. Great. Yeah, that's fine. Great, thanks. Yeah. What's the main remit of your job, lads, with Welsh Water here?
We're bringing stuff for fish farmers.
Ah, right, okay.
Grow the trout on the fish farm.
Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Jack.
Jack.
Stefano. Yeah, Stefano. What beer we do?
No, but when we see people, we say, well, where you working? I'm a fish farmer. I say, well, what do you mean for what company? Welsh Water? No, it's impossible.
You've got to work for a water.
Well, you work on the...
You either work in a water treatment or sewage, and that's it. That's what everyone
We're
thinks.
doing a half miss down in Nelson.
So where in Italy were you born?
I was born in Rome.
All right.
Dad that brought us around Italy.
Yeah.
It was his job. And been living 18 years in Piacenza, close to Milan.
Ah, yeah.
Thanks for sub.
Yeah, well, we've got nicer weather here, haven't we?
The last 3 months has been a bit depressing.
I'll post a thank you video on Twitter tonight.
Thank you very much.
If you don't mind. Thanks a lot. Thanks boys, cheers, bye.